Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can use the viral washing machine drum cleaner tablet to clean your tub. If you don't clean the tub, the dirt it will come in your clothes like this. So make sure you should clean the tub if you are using the washing machine frequently, 2 to 3 months one time. So this is the tablet I bought from Amazon. This is how it looks. And you have to use only one tablet per wash. As you can see, this place is become little bit dirty. Take this one tablet and then turn on the washing machine. If you have this option, you can go for this option. Otherwise, you can go for normal wash. It will clean.